Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make a Hemeroby map. So first, what is Hemeroby? Well, from this journal that I read, it's about in indicator Hemeroby for monitoring landscape in Germany. Basically, Hemeroby is meaning uh, how much human impact on the certain area. So this is a table that they use to decide of land use, which land use is considered certain level of Hemeroby. So if there's a lot of human impact like city, there's going to be metahemerobic. If there's nothing to do with human, it's going to be ahemerobic. So just like this rock, bed rocks. So we have to make the uh, table of the classification, and also the same with the natural terrain. I mean the land use that we there's in our file, which is we're going to make aerobic map of Twente region, which is where Enschede located, and so we're gonna map based on this. So we open QGIS. Just gonna wait. It's gonna take long. Okay, open QGIS. We make new one. We change the properties to using our for coding system because well the file that we're going to use is that land use in the region and the 20 region district, and they use Amersfoort. So we're going to use that. First, we're going to put the 20 region, which is a municipality of Twente. That's Enschede, Hengelo, Angelo, Loser, and etc. This is also the save file for the land use. Please remind you guys that it is from the bigger area, but I clip it so it match our file. And so because it's pretty simpler than doing whole nether, it's gonna take so long. Okay, first that we need to check the table. It already score. But for you guys, I think we need to keep it blank here. It's okay. We're gonna redo it. They did score here, but we're gonna make sure we redo it. So you know how you do it. So you can update field. We choose Hemeroby. Then we're gonna type it. I already made the script, so you can just copy paste it. Simpler. We can paste it here. Done. We're gonna click OK. Seems like it's done. There's no empty value. We're gonna do it for the scoring tool. I already made script tool, so you don't worry. So we're gonna make a new field. No, we're gonna filter, update, find scoring. Yep, done. It's done. Yep, I think the score is done. We can just save it. Let's get a bit. Okay, it's done. I think we need to stop editing. All right. I think we can use symbology to see if we made if the score the classification is correct. You're gonna use this one, red green yellow. I'm sorry, forgot to check. Gonna import it. You're gonna classify it. Done. Let's see. Okay, see, I mean the area is red, is then going to be lot more impact, so it's metahemerobic. And if it's really dark green, it's going to be less human impact. Simple as that. You can also try to lose the stroke. It looks much better. But we're not done yet because we want to dissolve it to the municipality so we can see which area in the region which have the most human impact and which one it have not. I mean, have the fewer human impact. So we're gonna do is that we're gonna intersect it. Simple. Transaction. We're gonna use Twente with Twente region. We're gonna name the file something Hemeroby. We're gonna run it. We're gonna wait. Okay, it seems that this is done. You can see the data. See, you can turn off this one, whatever. We can check the delta table if it already intersected, so it may match with the area. Okay, it's done, I think. Yeah, it's Gemeente, it's Amelo, Borne, etc. Now we're gonna do is that we can dissolve it, so it match with certain area. Okay, so we're gonna dissolve it. We're gonna use this from GDIL because from this one you can change the number, the value. So it's gonna be a problem. So we are going to dissolve this one. So we can make average of certain value. So we're gonna remember intersect here. What we want to this what we're going to try to dissolve is also the value is the scoring. So you can see the average of each area. Okay. So field. I mean, this field is supposed to be based on the game maintainer. Yeah, it's the name of the. I think. Let's check first. I forget. It's based on the game maintainer. Yes. It's supposed to be game maintainer, and there's something we need to compute, which is scoring, and it's supposed to be statistic. I think. I think there's a way we can to see the average. Wait a second. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. Continue. I think we just have to change this one. We're gonna use the Gementina, which is the name of the municipality. We need compute one mix facts for some attribute, so we get the file. We show the Hemeroby score. Then we can run it. Simple as that. Okay, let's save it or something. No, I think check. Resolve. Okay, then we're gonna run. We're gonna wait for a bit. So everything is done. We're gonna check it. It's too weird. Oh, there's no value. Okay, I think it's done. There's a value for each area of Hemeroby, the score. I think we're gonna try it. Let's try to symbology. We're gonna grade it. Choose this. Choose blue. We're gonna infer it. We're gonna classify it. Maybe for values, the value for us is gonna be average. So this is it. It looks bad, I think. So that's an empty space, I think. Maybe we need to hide the empty space first. To hide the hole, we need to change in the holes button, I think. Let's try first. I think we don't need to fill the whole thing, just keep it the way it is. But I don't know how. It's kind of hard. Okay then. I think if you want to use the area, I mean that this area with this Enschede, I've not really taken setting from the human impact, I think. This area is much more impact. Well, this area and Lasar are going to be a lot of impact. So it's cool, I think. So yeah, either you're going to use this or you're going to use the other one. Just this one. It's much better. Okay, I think that's it for Creative Hypermat. Thank you. Goodbye.